Colorado Department of Transportation here on US Highway 50 doing work on the traffic light at First in Colorado in La Junta, right here by the train depot. So it looks like they have that westbound lane closure in effect, giving them room to work. Probably a couple hours of work on the traffic light system. So here's the rule of thumb: when the lights are out, oh, we got flashing lights now. There we go, making progress. When the traffic lights are out, you have to treat them like a four-way stop. So we're just watching these folks blast through without making a stop through a flashing red, while our CDOT workers are kind of being put at risk here. So here's your public service announcement today. If you're at First in Colorado, this stoplight intersection this morning, stoplights aren't functioning and you need to treat it like a four-way stop. See, there we go, someone's doing it right. But we have just been watching people blow right through this intersection for quite some time now. So watch out for our CDOT workers and our fellow motorists here at First in Colorado in La Junta while they get this stoplight repair done. With your Southeast Colorado news on US Highway 50 in La Junta, Colorado, I'm Adrian Hart.